Hey guys, today I'm filming a video and I'm so excited because my makeup came out really bomb and I filmed a makeup tutorial and you guys have been wanting makeup tutorials and I just feel great. Every time I've been posting a photo with this makeup lately on Instagram, you guys have been asking me to post a tutorial on it, post a tutorial, blah, blah, blah. So I feel excited because here I am giving you guys the tutorial. At the very end of the video, I did a little outfit of the day type of thing and that made me feel great. I just felt like it was cool to add into this video. Before I actually get into the tutorial, I want to quickly talk to you guys. I want to just update you guys a little bit on what's going on in my life. One of the biggest things, the thing I want to talk about the most right now is my upcoming move to Hawaii. If you guys follow me on other social media, you guys know I'm moving to Hawaii in January. I am planning on keeping you guys updated before I actually move, just to show you my process of packing and my process of getting rid of things and just how I'm preparing for this move. Even though it's about a month and a half away, the first thing that I started doing was just going through my stuff and getting rid of even more things. After I went through all my clothes, I accumulated so many things. You guys know that I have this app called Poshmark, and it's basically just an app that I personally use to sell my old clothes. I literally just posted 30 new things on my Poshmark app. I'm going to show you. So I'm going to do a little screen recording so you guys can see. But basically, this is my closet. So these are all the things that I have posted on here. Wow, I sold a lot. I just posted all these things this morning and sold some stuff, so that's great. My username is just my name, Elizabeth Israel. And all the stuff that I have on here, I'm selling it for pretty cheap compared to how much I originally bought it for, just because I'm trying to get rid of it. I'll show you guys actually some of the items that I have on there. So this is actually my first time posting a pair of shoes on this app, so I hope that they sell. These are some Steve Madden heels. These are super cute, but they're just not my style anymore. I also posted so many bathing suits just because these are actually from one of my favorite bathing suit brands called Minimal Animal. It was tough getting rid of so many pieces from them, especially because I still love these and I still think they're super cute or whatever, but I just don't need them anymore. Here's another pair of bathing suit bottoms that I posted. I always get questions about where I get my bathing suits, so if you guys are interested in that, where I get them from, you guys can just go ahead and check me out on Poshmark because so many of my bathing suits are up on there right now. I also have some cute crop tops and tank tops. This one in particular is from American Apparel. Those were just some examples of some goodies that I have on there. But if you guys want to check it out for yourself, I'll go ahead and leave a link in my description of where you can check me out and where you can download Poshmark and all that cool stuff. If you guys are interested in, like I said, more videos of my getting ready journey for Hawaii, if that makes sense, let me know down in the comments and I'll just be sure to keep you guys updated. I already plan to keep you guys updated on what I'm doing to prepare for my move, but let me know specifically what you guys want to know. Okay, that's it for my little chat. Now let's get into the makeup. Sorry if throughout the video you guys see me looking down a lot. I reorganized my makeup. I just have my makeup stored in 3 of these little containers. I downsized a lot on my makeup collection to be able to fit it in these 3 bins. But anyways, my point is, if you guys see me looking down a lot, it's because I'm looking for makeup to grab. I just have my 3 bins on the floor in front of me. For primer, I'm going to be using this Becca purple primer and my Makeup Forever smoothing primer. This Becca primer smells like lemons. Okay, so for foundation, I've been mixing my L'Oreal Infallible foundation. This is in the shade 108. If you guys have been following me for a while, you guys know that this has been the most consistent foundation in my makeup collection. I'm also going to be mixing my Laura Mercier foundation primer in the shade Radiance, and this just gives a nice little glow to the foundation. And then I'm also mixing my Laura Mercier tinted moisturizer, and this one is in the shade Golden Radiance. So I don't know if you can tell, that was just a really light layer. You can still see some spots on my face, but I'm not really concerned about it. I used to be so big on extremely full coverage. Everything had to be covered, but I don't really feel like that anymore. It feels better to me to have a light layer of foundation rather than to keep caking on the products, but that's just me. I'm gonna be mixing my Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm just gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand, and I'm gonna be mixing it with my MAC Prep and Prime, and this is in the shade Bright Forecast. I used to just apply these on top of each other underneath my eyes, but I started mixing it on the back of my hand just so I could have more control of how much product I was applying. I don't like to use that much under my eye area. I feel like it creases more when there's more product. Oh, you know what? I did forget something. I've been applying like a liquid highlight after my primer and then going over the liquid highlight with my foundation just to give it more of a natural glow from within type of feel. But I forgot to do that today, so I'm just gonna apply the liquid highlight on top. But if you want it to look a little bit more natural, I would recommend doing it underneath. This is my Cover FX Custom Enhancer Drops, and this one is in the shade Celestial. I'm going to go ahead and take my MAC Studio Fix powder, and this is in the shade C4, and I'm going to just apply this anywhere that I applied concealer. I don't set my entire face, and I literally take the smallest amount of this powder because 1, I don't want to look powdery, but 2, I don't want to look cakey. Now I'm going to move on to bronzer, like always, my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Dark Deepest. Bronzer is done. Now I'm going to just go ahead and highlight. I'm going to take my MAC Gold Deposit. I'm just using this large stippling brush to apply it. I never used to use a brush like this, for highlighting, but it's been working for me. And basically what I've been doing is just holding it on the side and then kind of using the top of the brush, but just very lightly, like just keep going back and forth. I haven't been contouring lately also. This has been all I've been doing for my cheeks is just bronzer and highlight, and that's just because I don't really feel like I need to. Now I'm gonna go ahead and move on to my brows, but I'm not gonna film it because it just takes too much time, I feel. But I do have an updated brow tutorial. So I'll go ahead and leave a link to that in my description if you guys are curious on how I film my brows. But for now, okay, my brows are done. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I zoomed in a little bit more, not much more, but a little bit more because I just thought maybe that could be better. Now I'm just gonna move on to eyeshadow, and yeah, so I know for sure that I filmed a tutorial probably identical to this one. You guys will see once I start on my eyes what I'm talking about. A lot of you guys have been asking me lately on Instagram to film a tutorial on it. I don't know if you guys just don't realize that I already pretty much have a tutorial on it, but I figured I'll give you guys what you want. I'm going to be using my Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions palette, and I'm going to start off with this like reddish brownish shade. I'm just going to be focusing this on like the outer corner of my eye and also into my crease and just blending. I'm going to be including my outfit for today in this video. Once I finish my makeup, I'll show you guys what I'm planning on wearing today. I'm not doing anything special at all today, literally. Now I'm going to go ahead and take this bright orangey red shade and just go over top. And that's literally it. Those are the only 2 shades that I use for this look. Oh wait, actually that's not true. One more shade, it's from a different palette. Ever since high school, this type of eyeshadow look has been like my go-to. I feel like it brings out the color of my eyes. It's warm, which I like. I'm gonna take that first shade that I used and I'm gonna just smudge it on my lower lash line. With whatever's left over on this brush, I'm just gonna go over top and blend that out so it's smoky. From my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, I'm gonna be using the white eyeshadow. I don't know if you guys remember, when I was in high school, I used to cake this eyeshadow on the inner corners of my eyes. And honestly, it literally looked like white out on the inner corners of my eyes. It was so bright, which I don't think that was the worst part. I think the worst part was that I just didn't blend it out. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this and apply it to my inner corners, but I'm not using too much, and I'm blending it into the other eyeshadows. So it's gonna open up my eyes a little bit, give it a little highlight. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and move on to liquid liner. This should be fun. I do have an eyeliner tutorial posted from a while ago. I don't even know how long ago I posted it, but my technique is the same. I do know that. So I'll go ahead and leave a link to that in my description if you want to check out how, oh gosh, I can't open this. If you want to check it out, a more in-depth tutorial, but I'm just gonna like fast forward over this. That's gonna be it for my eyeliner. Now I'm gonna just go ahead and apply some lashes, then some lip gloss, and then I'll be done with my makeup. Don't know what these lashes are called. They're super old. I haven't bought eyelashes in months. They're just like shorter on the inner corner and they flare out towards the end. So it gives my eyes more of like a cat-eyed, elongated look. I just realized that my camera stopped recording while I was putting on my lashes. I finished up my eyelashes, clearly, and then I just went ahead and put on, and then I just went ahead and put on some lip gloss. I used my Buxom lip gloss in the shade Blushing Margarita. That's like the only lip gloss I really use. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and change really quick because what I'm wearing right now is not my outfit, so I'm gonna change into my outfit and then I'll show you guys what I'm wearing for today. I can't take my camera off my tripod. I mean, I can, but I'm not going to because it's broken right now, so it's really tricky for me to get it back on my tripod, and I just don't want to go through that right now. So here is my outfit. Simple. I like to be simple. This is the most color you'll ever catch me wearing. This is actually one of my newest shirts. I don't buy clothes too much anymore, so whenever I do buy clothes, I get rid of an old item and replace it with something new. So this is new, and I've been wearing it a lot lately, but this is just like a rusty orange color shirt. It's looking more orange on the camera, but in person it's like rusty orange sort of, and it's from American Apparel. I'm pretty sure it's a guy's t-shirt. I like them to just be baggy and loose or whatever, and then I just roll the sleeves usually because I like the way that looks. And then I'm just wearing some black skinny jeans from PacSun, and I cuff the bottom of them to give me a little edgy look. I'm just kidding. I cuff the bottom because these jeans aren't long enough on me, and I like to cuff the bottom of my jeans. Shoes, I'm probably just gonna wear either all black Vans or my brown sandals because those are the only pairs of shoes that I really wear. So that's it for my outfit. That's it for my makeup. I hope that this video was fun to watch, and I hope that you guys liked it. If you did like it, please thumbs it up, and also please subscribe to my channel if you're not already. That's pretty much it. I hope that you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.